Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check iPhone battery health is original or not. If you are using any iPhone and you want to check the real-time battery health of your iPhone, so you just have to simply go ahead to your settings app. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issue or any type of glitch. So open your general section, go to software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating software, go back, go to battery section, and here select battery health, and you might get your battery health maximum capacity, but it's not your actual battery health. So now to check actual battery health, you have to simply go back, open your browser, and browser you have to search for iPhone battery status. Just search for iPhone battery status, or you can also search for iPhone battery shortcut. So you just open the first website from here. Just scroll down and look for the option of download or get the shortcut. So here just look for download battery status shortcut. Here's the option download battery status shortcut. Just tap on battery status shortcut and it will be open in your shortcuts app. You just have to try to wait for this loading and then tap on add shortcut. And if you have already your shortcut, so you will not get this type issue. You just have to tap on replace and your shortcut will be replaced. So once you have done, just go back, open your settings app, and now in settings, just go to privacy and security section. Scroll down and select the option analytics and improvements. Select that, then select analytic data, and you just have to select any recent date analytic data. So you can select the date of yesterday. Let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. Once I have selected, just have the share option in the top right. Then select this more option and you might get the battery status shortcut here. Just select that. It will wait, it will take some moment to loading and here you get the original battery health. If you find this step error, you just have to try to tap on done, then go back and select the or any other date. Recently I have the full analytic data, so it might be the best. Just tap on the share option here, tap on more, then tap on battery status again, and you might get your original battery health here. So in this way, you can easily check your iPhone battery health. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.